Sabi ang aga lagi lang. Always mga ka-crown. I believe during the Wendy's concert event, napakaaga ng call time. Pero mas maaga pa rin si Miss Wei.
Sabi ko nga, di ba, ang motto ko in life is when you're on time, you're late. Pag ako umiiyak ako, naiiyak kasi ako. So, kahit ako na lang mag-inis. But hindi ako yung inaantay.
Very professional. Akala ko ang motto niya, kindness is a universal language. Diba? Hindi ko makakalimutan yan.
Sa panahon ngayon, kindness is a universal language.
Here's naman po, Win, because, well, right now, it's your free time and you allowed us to accommodate our request. So, times like this, and when you're busy, when you're outside, I mean, you're not at home, I mean, how do you manage to pack your times, especially now, you signed up for this university?
I think that is one of the hardest thing now, the managing part of time. As much as I want to say that I can balance it, parang hindi talaga siya possible gawin na consistent. But if you really have a family that's understanding and supportive, lalo na yung partner ko, hindi ko magagawa ko ng lahat. And thank God for FaceTime. Di ba? Yung makikita ko yung anak ko, pag naminis ko siya, and yung cameras ko sa bahay. Cameras talaga sa bahay niya. Yung CCTV sa camera. So I get to check on her every once in a while. And I still talk to her. So, siguro yun na yung time ko now with them. I make time in that sense na tatawag na ako. Pero pag rest day, sila talaga. Pero syempre special kayo, nandito ko.
Thank you po. Kaya naman ang ating papasalamat, pasasalamat, diba, sa mga super moms like Win-Win. Pero kapag when you're at home, I mean, how hands-on are you taking care of your family? Do you cook for them? Do you...
Yes. I clean the house, I do the laundry, I do the errands. Kunyari, our schedule, di ba? Sa hapon, in the morning, I do all the errands first. I try to finish all my responsibilities. Especially pag free time, ibigay ko talaga lahat. YouTube cooker lang ako, baka sabihin nila, magaling ako magluto. So I just follow, nakita ko sa YouTube. I'm just a mom that you imagine na to make the house comfortable for my family.
Pero what's your favorite dish that you're preparing for them?
Favorite dish? Adobo. Kasi favorite ko din. And may chicken adobo. Kasi favorite anak ko, may adobo. Buti na lang din, favorite din anak ko, nilagang itlog. So, madaling gawin. So, yun yung mga usually niluluto.
Wow. So, we're already talking about your life prior to signing up to this university.
Yes.
We know that you're busy with your career, with your family, but can you share a bit more? I mean, kasi, syempre, we saw you last 2017 in a pageant, of course, and bringing pride to our country, and then the rest is history. But hindi ko alam kung paano isa-summarize yun eh. Pero,
ano yung ginagawa ko before MUPH? Working mom. I'm a working mom, but above all, I'm a hands-on mother. Still am a hands-on mother. And thankfully then, yung projects ko, showbiz, my career, I was given work or projects that allowed me to still have time with my daughter. I did hosting, so hindi masyado nag-take ng time. Acting, that's once or twice a week. So, very important sa akin yung balance ng family time and career. So, thankfully, it's showbiz na nabigay naman sa akin. So, yun yung ginagawa ko.
And this has always been the question of the fans. Kasi syempre, they're following you on social media sa iyong career, and then, ito na, nagbigay na ng hint si Win-Win about signing up for Miss Universe Philippines. What was the motivation, or what was the turning point na today is the day that I'm going to sign up for this university?
I think it started way before that. Back in 2015. I think everyone knows about that, no? And then, I really wanted to join again in urang sulong. Di ba, ganda naman after mo hindi pa natin, sali ulit. Diba? I really didn't have the motivation. Miss, Miss World. Can I say that?
Yes.
Reina happened, pero I still have that question in my mind. What if I join for Miss Universe? Kasi syempre, that's where it started. So, lagi akong urang sulong, but I never had that kind of punch na parang, let's go. I do not enter something I'm not 110% because ayokong buo ako. Hindi ako buo pa dito something. So when Michelle, what do you call it, tagged me, na pwede na ang mothers na sumali. Sabi ko, shucks, this is a sign. Kasi sabi ko, pagiging mommy na lang ako, I'll just leave the pageant shoes. Okay, just go on with my family. Tapos after 1 year, after ko mga pwede na ang mommy. Sabi ko, I think this is it. I think I can do it. I think I'm whole already. I think I have the experience that I can share with everyone. And that's what really pushed me. Na parang, I think I still have it.
And nakaka-proud hanggang ngayon because nakita pa rin namin, I mean, the team of Reina Hispanic Americana sent a message of well wishes to you. Di ba nakaka-proud? It means na we're a very, very good queen. Di ba? So how do you feel about it?
Hi, Reina! We never lost contact. So 2017, up until now, we still talk. Which is nice. They're like, mommies ko talaga sila eh. Very nice kasi I remember when I was competing in Reina, they were also the ones who told me like, why don't you try Miss Universe?
Really?
Yes. Why don't you join again? But after ko manalo, parang, not yet, or I'm happy, ganyan. So, nung na-send sila ng message na gano'n, syempre parang, wow, they're really supportive of whatever I do. And that's the best thing if you create a relationship with your order. Kasi hanggang ngayon, hindi ka na nabibitawan, susuportahan ka nila all. So, I'm just very thankful na naman sa akin.
So that was the journey from then to you signing up to Miss Universe Philippines. Now, the moment during your stashing ceremony, during the announcement na talaga na you are Miss Universe Philippines, what was going through your mind? This is it na talaga. How was it us back to the day na you're about to be announced?
Ako madami kasi baka hindi tayo matapos sa interview na ito kung sabihin ko sa inyo kung ano yung pumapasok sa isip ko. Ang dami, full of emotions, ang daming thoughts, kinakabahan, natatakot. But really, the first thing that came into my mind is, this is it. I'm really going to do this. This is real. And I was thinking of the support that I got from my family and my board. Yun talaga yung nag-fuel sa akin, really nagbigay sa akin ng confidence na kakakayanin ko to. I can do this journey basta nasa likod ko sila. I think yun yung number one na nasa isip ko.
How was your conversation? How did your conversation go about with your family? Did you have a sit down with them, with Luna, with your husband?
With my husband. Siya una tinanong ko, can I still do this? Do you think I can do this? Do you think it's still worth it? Siyempre, we have to sacrifice things. Yun naman, usapang mature na talaga. Because we have to be practical. We have our own family. We have a daughter. Pero ang sinabi niya lang sa akin, since kilala niya na kasi ako ever since I was 6 years old. Pagkakilala na kami. And he knew that this was my dream since I was a little girl. Sabi niya sa akin, you don't have to ask me these things because I know this is what you want. And we can sacrifice things para lang magawa ang gusto mo. And siyempre, hindi ako. Siyempre, ako na parang, you know, that feeling of support that you get. And willing din siyang talagang gawin lahat para lang magawa. That's not something easy every day.
Correct.
It's not something easy every day. So, wala nang masyadong usap, wala nang masyadong debate kung anong gagawin. Tuloy agad. With Luna, she's only 2 years old. So, I was just looking at her, syempre, kahit hindi pa ako masyadong naiintindihan. sabihin ko, mommy's gonna be busy, but I'm sure I'm gonna still make time pa rin. So, yun lang talaga. Yung partner ko, I think, is one of the key factors.
At yun ang bumuo dito sinasabi mo na 110%.
Yes,
Diba?
yes.
It's a different kind of push, especially
Yes.
that your loved ones, the family is very supportive. That fuels it.
Yes. If I may, my dad didn't really like me joining that. Siguro sa mga interviews niya, if you go back to it, hindi siya masyadong agree. From first pageant to Reina. Pero now, when I talk to him, sabi niya sa akin, simple lang. If sasali ka kasi gusto mo ng fame, huwag na. Pero kung sasali ka para ipakita mo kung ano pwede gawin sa nanay at matutulong ka sa nanay sa stage at mapakita mo that you're doing this for good, sumali ka. Not because you want to cry na naman ako.
Parang, oh.
Which for me is my family, they're okay with me not getting the crown. But syempre, bonus na talaga na makuha ko yun. They just want me to make a difference. They want me to make a statement that even if I'm a mother, even if I'm at a certain age, if I could share something that others can be of help with, okay. So, yun sa akin, yun yung standard ko ba't ako nandito.
Kinilabutan ako dun sa story.
Oh, thank you.
Did you hear that? Diba? Parang, it's, well, you made history for the Philippines. You're getting the first Reina Hispano-Americana crown. And hindi malayo, you're making another history, being the first Filipina mom.
God willing, sana.
Diba?
Yes, sana.
Wow, grabe. Now, what is your mindset going into the competition?
I think in any other competition, you want to win. I think that is the goal. But for me, my mindset joining Miss Universe Philippines is just to really give my all, be focused, and be grateful for the opportunity that was presented no matter what the outcome will be. Ganda naman dapat, di ka dapat umasa na ikaw agad yung panalo. You have to do the hard work first. But I still believe in destiny. If it's not for you, it's not for you. But as long as you give your all, you're already okay. So that is the mindset for this.
Do you find it easier or more challenging to compete again or compete naman this time? You know, after a few years back of competing in the pageant?
It never gets easier. I think it's challenging. It's challenging for me because there's always going to be a new challenge that's going to be thrown at you. And for me naman, it doesn't mean na 10 years na ako as a pageantry world or nanalo na ako. Kaya ko na gawin lahat. No, because especially now, pageantry has evolved. I have to adjust. I have to adapt to certain changes. I have to learn a lot of things. That's why it's never easy. But the beautiful thing about that is that I get to know myself more. Akala ko alam ko na yung sarili ko. But ang dami ko pa rin natutunan sa sarili ko. And that really shapes us. So, okay lang na mahirap. Basta ano ko may natutunan.
And do you still have the same team that you had when you...
Yes.
Oh, you're
Yes.
still working with this team.
Yes. I believe in loyalty.
Yes.
That is one thing that I believe in. I believe in family. So, whoever was with me from the beginning, sila yun yung kasama ko hanggang saan man ako. I always look back kung ano, saan ako nag-sit.
It's really a pageant journey, not just
Yes.
one organization or one competition to another
Yes.
competition. It's
Yes.
really the entire pageant journey of
Yes.
Tenisitas yan, Marquez. So, you're an accomplished woman, an empowered woman, a mom, an actress, a celebrity, and now a beauty queen, an international title holder. But of all of your accomplishments, which one stands out to you proudest?
Wala sa sinabi mo. I think proudest moment ko is when I overcame my postpartum depression. Because not a lot of people know na napagdaanan ko yung postpartum depression. That was one of the most difficult times in my life. Like, I thought that I was a good mother. I thought na wala na akong babalikan, wala akong career, hindi na ako maganda, wala na. Like, it was so hard, mentally and physically. But, naisip ko when I looked at my daughter, I should always find a reason to move forward, that I shouldn't give up on myself no matter how hard it is. And because of that, I asked help. And hindi madali yun. accident. And that doesn't make you a weak person. And nung na-overcome ko yun, may mga tumulong sa akin, I felt myself again. Slowly, may sense of purpose na ako. I'm here. So I think that was one of the proudest moments. And gusto ko rin sabihin sa lahat, minsan kahit nakangiti ka, hindi mo alam kung ano nangyayari. So, try to be more sensitive to people.
Kindness pa rin.
Kindness is a universal.
Yes. Iikot at iikot talaga tayo doon, no? We circle back to that core value. Okay. So, syempre, I mean, you mentioned earlier that you have a very supportive family. Around you are really exemplary people who have inspired you in a way. But if you could name just one person who has influenced you the most, who is that person?
Without a doubt, Luna, my daughter. Every time I look at her, I see endless possibilities. You know, pure joy, imagine mo, pag tinitignan ko yung anak ko. And if I may share, wala namang timer.
Yeah, wala.
If I may share lang, the other night, my daughter, pag pinapatulog ko siya, and then bigla na lang siyang nagsabi, Teresita Sen, Win-Win Marquez, Miss Universe Muntinlupa. She said, out of the blue. Actually, Muntinlupa. Ganun siya. And then, Miss Universe Philippines. Sinabi niya bigla. Siyempre, kung nag-cry ako nagulat ako na she knows that. So, you know, pag nakita ko yung anak ko, she looks at me so honestly, so purely, and that is why I want to be the best version of myself every single day, because I know my daughter's looking up to me. She watches me come. And I want to bring that on stage. So, iba, pakiramdam pag yung anak ko yung nagpo-push sa'yo to be a better person, kasi alam mo talaga, gagayahin ka niya. She wants to be like you. And if I bring that on stage, I hope I can resonate to young women as well.
Would you encourage her in the future to also give you?
Not encourage her. I want her to find her own path. Maybe if she wants to, I will support her. I'll support whatever she wants. I'm not the type of parent that ito gawin ko, dahil hindi lang ako. No. I want her to tell me what she wants to do, and then I will help her kung saan na.
You're changing the landscape of pageantry, Philippine pageantry, when you signed up for Miss Universe Philippines. So, with pageantry embracing diversity, how do you think motherhood and marriage redefine what it means to be a beauty queen?
First of all, I want to thank Miss Universe organization for opening its doors to all women. But I really do believe that the bigger message here is to remove yung division kung saan galing ng society yung mga babae ngayon. I feel like it's a message and a reminder to everyone that a woman can do whatever she wants to do. We are not limited to being a mother or a homemaker or a wife. We can wear as many hats as we want and people that can thrive. Yun eh. Pag nasa stage ka, hindi ka titignan ate, nanay. She's a doctor, she's a beauty queen, she's this and that. And we're allowed to do that. And that's what I want to send to everyone.
Relative to that, Win, how about advocacy projects that you're working on right now?
When I was in my 20s, kasi, I had endometrioma up until before I got pregnant. So it was really a challenging thing for me, not only my body, but mentally as well, physically and mentally. And alam ko, marami din ako overwhelmed with the same thing that's happening to people who are diagnosed with PCOS, so reproductive health din yan. And thankfully, I have an OB that became my family and then guided me through all the process, medication, everything else. But I know a lot of young women have the same problem but do not know how to go about it. A lot of women are struggling with that. And I just want to tell them that women's holistic health is very important. reproductive health and mental health goes hand in hand. So may mga safe spaces like Kindred, the one I support. It's a safe space for women where they provide affordable resources, they do educate you about their body. So I think it's high time to talk about our bodies and to really take care of our bodies. So doon na po sa reproductive health and mental health that goes hand in hand.
I wonder talaga how you manage your time very effectively, with all of the things that you're doing. You have this advocacy, you're a mom, and you're also the pageant is ongoing. So, syempre the fans are also curious because during your sashing ceremony, Michelle Mertes was there. What was her role in your pageant journey this time?
Nako, malaki. Malaki role because she's the one that I asked a lot of questions with. Kasi she's the one who experienced Miss Universe Philippines and Miss Universe, so she's the best person to talk to. Grabe, kulang na lang. Talagang i-strategize ka lahat ng gagawin ko. She's very hands-on. She does produce some of my contents. She's very, very good in that. Pero mostly when she talks to me, talagang she just reminds me to enjoy. Huwag ko masyadong isipin yung results kung ano nangyayari. And sabi ko nga, she's the first person who told me na pwede na ang mothers. So, si Michelle is one of the people talaga behind me na sinasabi na kaya ko manalo. And that's important, I think. I think that's very, very important. Yes. Diba? Na laging may nagsasabi sa'yo na kaya mo manalo, and she's one of those.
Wow. Ngayon pala, congratulations.
Thank you.
Because, a lot of comments on Facebook is really about how you are facing the challenge of being a Miss Universe Philippines candidate. More so, people are already putting you always on the leaderboard.
Oh, wow. Thank you so much.
Sa mga challenges so far na lumabas, kahit pa nga sa headshots, lumabas na rin. How do you feel about it? The support, the undying support of your fans up till now?
Siyempre masaya. Nakakataba ng puso na until now. They support me, like I've always said. Siyempre ang leaderboard, minsan hindi ko tinitignan. Oo. But di na ako maiwasan ngayon, di ba? Because I still don't believe that even if you're part of the top, di ba, na ikaw hindi ka nanalo, or if hindi ka kasama ito, hindi ka naman nanalo. But I just want to thank everyone. Siyempre, at least nasusubaybayan nila yung ginagawa nila. At least I know I'm doing something right sa journey na to, kahit pa paano. Pero as much as possible, I do not want to have that complacency, or di ba, na dahil nandun ako, okay na to. Okay na to.
Hindi ka ma-social media.
Ma-social media ako because I like posting, I like watching random videos, funny videos, yung mga ganyan. But I don't really read comments as much. I don't really dive into conversations na medyo negative because that doesn't help. Pero ayoko din na sobrang positive. Kasi hindi din okay pag sobrang ganda lagi ang sinasabi sa mga. So siguro dun ako sasakta lang sa mga konting reminders. Mostly, kasi ang nagme-message kasi sa akin yung mga tao, kilala ko talaga. Yun, pinakikinggan.
Ako personally, habang nag-usap tayo, I must say that it's the wisdom that you've earned from the years of experience since the last time that you joined. Kasi iba mga ka-crown yung feeling when you're talking in person. I mean, makaharap mo si Win-Win in person. Parang balik-balik ka ng marami yung question and answer round of the last 27 years. Reyna Hispanic America. Now, what is that one question that you have or you hope never comes up naman during the finals? Kasi marami nagsasabi, kaya-kaya na win lahat. Pasarela, aura-aura, Q&A na. So, in terms of that, what is that one question now that you hope never comes up during your finals? Meron ka bang ayaw mong masagot or matanong sa'yo?
Believe it or not, hirap talaga Q&A. Kahit ako pinakabahan pa rin ng Q&A. Siguro, sa status ko na, or the question na ayoko matanong is, you would choose love, what would you choose? Love or crown? Di ba usually But with my status, I don't want to be asked that because I really know that the love and crown goes hand in hand. And you love the married partner sa akin and love my family is the one who pushed me to go get the crown. So, if that was asked sa akin, I don't know kung paano siya sasagutin, but technically ganon because it goes hand in hand. The love that I get is the one that pushed me and fuels me to really go and get the crown. So,
Tapos pagkasagot mo, okay na to.
okay na. Okay na to.
When you win, when you win this year, when you win Miss Universe Philippines, what is the first thing on your team?
To really spend time with my daughter, really spend time with Luna and Rain, my partner, to cancel all out the noise and to just have quality time with them. After all, they're very great motivation. And to just talk to my daughter and tell her, if I win that, please bear with Mama because we're going on an adventure. We're going on an adventure and kaya natin to. So, syempre, she's still a kid and I know that someday, kung napantag niya, pag manalo, saan mo yung proud siya sa akin. Hi everyone! Again, I am Winwin Marquez, your Miss Universe Philippines Muntinlupa. Please do follow me on my social media accounts. On Instagram, that's Teresita. On TikTok, that's Winwin Marquez. And of course, on YouTube, you can see my videos there. If you want to get to know me more, you can watch my videos there. That's Win-Win Situation. Voting, we have PINA voting right now. So, given the chance talaga na manalo kami sa voting, we can go to the top agad. Please do vote for me. If you have extra, just go to PINA. You can vote through Lazada, Shopee, or their website, or TikTok shop. So just choose Muntinlupa and then just add the code.
Sarap na usapan natin, pero syempre would like to thank and give a big shout out sa ating mga friends from Miss Universe Philippines organization. Maraming salamat po. Sir Voltaire Tangayag and Sir Jonas Gaput, maraming salamat po. And of course, our very supportive sponsors here on the Crown Philippines, La Luna Cafe, that's LA_Luna Cafe on Facebook and Instagram, at syempre Tasa Mobile Cafe. Maraming salamat din po sa Prison Skin and Body Clinic. Oh, gusto rin niya! Dito sa The Crown Philippines. Naalala ko yung video na very viral when she went up the stage during her session.
Yes. Actually, people thought that it was scripted. Yeah, a lot of her, parang sinabi, hindi lang po ba siya doon? Kaya actually, kasi diba she was shouting already.
Oo. Nandun kami.
She was shouting already. Sige lang po na dito. Yun yung moment na parang, for me, grounding moment for me. Imagine, looking at that ganyan. Happy siya, proud siya. Pag natin yan, iba-iba sa pag